Hello everybody, my name is Gil Sanchez. I am the founder, CEO, and inventor of Pairingwear. We are located here in Tampa, Florida, and by far RSP was, from the moment I contacted them, they were on it. Matt was my initial contact and continues to be my contact today. So my wife and I ended up going to their office up in Wisconsin, and at the end of the day, RSP came out the best out of all the U.S.-based manufacturers for us, and so it was great that our initial instinct proved to be correct. What we wanted was to work with a U.S.-based manufacturer that had a Chinese presence, and that was one thing that RSP brought to the table. That gave us peace of mind in the sense is that we're contracting with a US-based manufacturer that owns and has control over the China-based factory. And so I knew that we were going to get US quality, even though it was going to be manufactured over there, because I just trusted RSP. And it just came out unbelievable. I mean, the workmanship of the mold. Jason, who's been my main contact of theirs in China, has been phenomenal, super responsive. We absolutely love the product that came out, and so this is our final version, and I gave the green light for them to go ahead and finalize the mold, and then we can start now production moving forward. And really, the biggest thing is understanding that I have a strong manufacturing partner, which is RSP, that have my back, who have an interest in wanting me to succeed and wanting the company to succeed. 100% recommend RSP for all of you out there who were in my shoes and looking for an excellent manufacturing partner. Call them, meet with them. They'll answer all of your questions. Don't be afraid to ask them anything. And I hope that you guys will ultimately choose RSP.